articles, there are three articles in English. They are classified into the category of definite and indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are a and an, and the definite article is the. Now, let us understand where we have to use the indefinite article a and an. Where the vowel sound comes along with the singular noun, there we use the indefinite article an, like a, e, I, o, u. And where the singular nouns start with the consonant sounds, that is starting from B, C, D, F, G, etc. Children, we have to remember that we have to not blindly go with the consonant words and vowel words. We have to see which sound is coming along with the singular noun. Now there are some exceptions to the category of indefinite articles. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use the article a before these words. Like for example, a university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. So although you see the word you here, which is a vowel word, but the sound coming here is U, that is Y-O-O-U. So therefore we use the article a before it and not an. Now where we have to use the definite article the, along with the name of mountain ranges. Children, as we have studied in the previous video, the definite articles are called definite articles because they are specific, unique, one of its kind. So that is why we use the before it. Like for example, the mountain ranges. There is only one Himalayan mountain range, one Aravalli range and one Alps range. So the Himalaya, the Aravalli and the Alps. Now the rivers are also unique, specific, particular, one of its kind. So the Ganges, the Nile and the Thames. The classical or the holy books, they are also one of its kind. There is no second one to it. The Gita, the Hamlet, the Quran. We also use the article the with superlative nouns. So now when it is the highest degree of comparison, there also we use the tallest boy, the longest river, the most beautiful. And along with island groups. So again, island groups, children, are only one in this world, the Andaman and Nicobar, the Great Britain. And also along with geographical locations. Like for example, there is only one North Pole, there is only one equator. So we also use the definite article the along with it. Let us have a look at this slide with the names of deserts. So all of you know that there is only one Sahara, one Thar and one Gobi desert. So along with the names of desert also it comes. With ordinal numbers means the position in which you are standing. The fifth, the second, the third. There also we use the definite article the. Let us have a look at the picture. I am at the 6th number in this queue. So again, that is denoting the position, the ordinal number 6th. So the will come before it. With the names of oceans. So all of you know that the oceans also are only one in this whole world. So that is why it comes along with the definite article the. The Arab Ocean, the Red Sea. Now there is one category where we use it along with the names, where we not use it along with the names of particular nouns. Like for example, with the languages. We never say the English language, the Hindi language or the Bengali language. We will always say English language, Hindi language, Bengali language. It also never comes along with the abstract nouns. We will never say the love, the help, the charity. We will always come without the article the. Now, whenever we are referring to the names of the meals, it will never come along with it. So, like for example, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, we will never say you have the breakfast, the lunch, or the dinner. It will come without the definite article the. The article the also never comes with the names of relations. We will never say the father did this, the son, the sister did this. It also never comes along with the proper nouns, that is the names of the particular place, animal or thing. So we will never say the Sonia Gandhi, the Ramesh or the Roshni. The article will not come before it at all. With names of continents, cities, countries and mountains. So we will never say the Asia, the Mumbai or the Mount Everest. We will say only Asia, Mumbai and Mount Everest. We will use the before the name of the mountain ranges, but we will never, when we are specifying a particular mountain, we will never use the article the. Now let us solve an exercise to revise our concept. She wears a uniform. He gave me a 1 rupee note coin. Sona made a universal appeal. India is a developing country. He is a boy. So the first three examples, as we have studied along with the picture, it will come with the article a because the sound of Y-O-O-U is coming. It's not coming as the other vowel words. And we are talking about India, which is a developing country. So the common nouns boy and country are coming there. So we will use the article a before it. In the second exercise, we will study the indefinite article an honest man. So H is silent there. So we will use the article an. Rahul is an engineer. I bought an HMT watch. Mala is an MBA. My brother is an advocate. So here children, as you can see in the third and fourth example, the words H and M are coming. So you must be wondering why we have used the article an before it. So remember that a vowel sound does not necessarily mean with a vowel, nor does a consonant sound mean beginning with a consonant, because English spelling does not coincide closely with the sound of words. So here if you carefully look, the sound is coming H, an MA, an MBA we say generally, because the sound is coming of A and it's not coming directly of H or M. In the next exercise, we will study few more examples of the definite article the. The earth goes round the sun because there is only one earth and there is only one sun. So the definite article the will come before it. I love watching the sun rise in the morning. The Himalayas stand as a sentinel to our country. The man in the blue shirt is our principal. We are referring to a particular mountain range. We are referring to a particular man, and that is why we are using the article the there. My sister is working in the USA. Okay. So it's an integrated group of states, United States of America. So we will use the article the there. Now there are certain conditions, children, where we do not use the article at all. It is called as omission of article or zero article before the names of the relations. Like for example, we will never say the father, the uncle or the sister. We will never use the article before the names of materials like gold, silver, diamond. We will just say gold is very expensive. We will never say the gold or a gold. Before proper nouns, okay. So lotus, we will never say a lotus or a Chennai or a Priya, it will come without the article. No article at all. Neither definite nor indefinite. Before abstract nouns. So, abstract nouns are the nouns which we can only touch and feel. We cannot physically experience them. We can only feel them. So, honesty, wisdom, truth, that will also come without an article. No article before it. Honesty is the best policy is the example. So, we will not have any article before it. Before languages, we will never say the Tamil, the Hindi, the English. It will come without the article. In English is a universal language, so it will come without the article. Before certain phrases, at noon, by train, on foot. So, it will come with the prepositions. Beginning with prepositions, the phrases generally begin, but it will not come with any of the articles like a, an, and the. Now this exercise is given on your page number 39. So let us have a look. Form pairs with the help of your partner. Rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences, completing them with an article. So this sentence is given in the jumbled form and the article is also missing there. Is swimming river in Susan? So the correct answer is Susan is swimming in the river. So as you can see, Susan is a proper noun. So we will not use any article before it. Susan is swimming in the river. The next one, Rahul is eating an egg. So the vowel sound is coming in the word egg and that is why an is coming before it, and Rahul, again the proper noun, is not having any article before it. France is a European country. Again, it is the example like the 1 rupee note and the university where the sound of Y-O-U is coming. So that is why France is a European country and not an European country. The next one, Mr. Ram is an inspector. So the vowel word is coming inspector. Therefore, the article an is coming and Mr. Ram is a proper noun, so no article will come before it. He is the Chief Minister of Punjab. So we are referring to a particular minister. So therefore, we will use the definite article the before it. Take an umbrella with you. So again, the vowel sound is coming in the word umbrella. Therefore, the article an is coming before it. As a practice exercise, you have to solve the fun corner activity that is given on page number 41. The next example, I have read the Arabian Nights. So, the Arabian Nights is a particular book. So, the Arabian Nights. An elephant eats grass. So, the vowel sound is coming in the word elephant. So, an is coming before it. You are an intelligent boy. So, again, an is coming because the vowel sound is coming in the word intelligent. This is an English book. So, the word an is coming because it is a vowel sound in the word English. As I have said earlier, you have to solve the fun corner activity given on page number 41 as a home assignment. Thank you, students.